Hey, how you doing? So today let's discuss about the ways on how you can use the Kikoff store credit. Okay, I'm just gonna be making this theoretical, whereby I go ahead just talk about how you can use the Kikoff store credit. All right, and as you know, you can see signing up for the Kikoff store credit account and all that. Now the Kikoff store credit is designed for individuals looking to build or improve their credit score affordably and easily. Okay, so and I'm going to be talking about Kikoff store and what it's about and why it's a unique credit building solution. All right, and as you know, the Kikoff provides $750 line of credit that you as a user you can apply to small, okay, manageable purchases, which kind of makes it more accessible than the traditional credit card. Okay, so they have the affordable entry level credit. All right, and talking about the credit reporting, unlike some credit building products, the Kickoff reports users' payments to two major credit bureaus, which helps people to build a positive credit history. Okay, so they report you to two credit bureaus. Okay, unlike some of those credit building products. Okay, so you stand a chance of being able to build your credit with this. Okay, and also they do not have a traditional credit card. Okay, so the Kickoff credit line isn't cash or traditional credit. Instead, you as a user you can just buy digital products like ebooks on the Kickoff platform. Okay, so that is what they are all about. All right. So instead of cash or traditional credit, they only offer like you being able to buy digital products. Okay, so they have that also. All right, and they are the credit building they have it for low score. So it's particularly beneficial for those who have limited or poor credit histories. Okay, especially for people like that who may actually struggle to qualify for regular credit cards. All right, and also this is simple and low cost option. So because at just a $2 monthly fee, the Kickoff offers a low risk way to add a credit account to your credit report. Okay, so this is a very good one for a whole lot of people out there. Now let's talk about how you can use the Kickoff store credit. Okay, so using the Kickoff store credit is straightforward. Okay, though it works differently than typical credit options, but it's kind of easy. You just need to go ahead, sign up and purchase membership. You can see sign up, then first you sign up and purchase the Kickoff membership for $5. So at the time of creating this guide you can see $5 per month. Okay, so then you select items. Okay, Kickoff store, they offer digital items like ebook, okay, that you as a user you can purchase with their store credit. All right, next you make payments regularly. So you as a user you can make payment on these purchases each month. Okay, and Kickoff reports the payment to the credit bureaus. All right, and you track your credit score. So they provide insights into your credit score and payment history. Okay, so you as a user you can see how your score improve over time. All right, and also you can use this as a credit building tool only. Okay, so remember that the Kickoff's line of credit is designed solely for credit building purpose, so it's not for extensive spending or cash access. Okay, so that is what you need to know about this. Now let's talk about some major things that you need to know about this, because before signing up there are some important considerations that you should put in place. Okay, before you even go ahead to sign up for this. Okay, now the first thing is the limited purchases, because the Kickoff's credit line can only be used on their store for specific digital products. Okay, so it is not for general spending or cash. Okay, so it is only meant for specific digital products on their platform. Okay, and also maybe possibly some other platform, but mostly on the platform. So you can't use this for general spending or for cash. All right, and also they report to two bureaus. Okay, so they only report to two of the three major credit bureaus, so it may not impact your credit report with all agencies. Okay, so then they only report to two and not all the three. Okay, and also there is no traditional cash borrowing. So Kickoff's credit line doesn't offer a cash advance or direct spending options outside the Kickoff store. Okay, so there is no cash advance and there is no direct spending outside the Kickoff store. So this is mostly just to build credit. So you can see Kickoff build credit first. All right, you can build your credit with this. And also talking about the fee and cancellation, the Kickoff's membership costs $5 upfront, just like I said. And some people, may feel the service lacks value compared to traditional credit card, but it's really cool. Okay, compared to other traditional credit cards that wouldn't even accept you at all. Okay, and also this is not ideal for everyone. So Kickoff may not be ideal for individuals with established credit. If you already have the established credit, you don't need to go ahead and sign up for this because they may they actually benefit more from traditional credit cards that offers reward and greater purchasing flexibility if you have a good credit. Okay, so you'll stand a chance of benefiting more from a traditional credit card that offer great reward and purchasing flexibility if you if you have a good credit. But if you have a very poor and bad credit, then you can actually go for this. All right. Now that is it about some important things that you should know. Now let's talk about my honest thoughts regarding this. Let me just give you some honest takeaways on Kikoff stock credit based on its benefits and drawback. Well, the first thing is the low cost credit option because the fact that it has a $2 monthly fee, which is very low, it makes it affordable for a lot of beginners out there. It's an affordable choice for beginners, and also this is good for credit building for real. So for you as a user with unlimited credit options, this is a way to build positive history with with low risk. Okay, and there is unlimited value for advanced users. So in case you are someone with established credit, you might actually find it limiting compared to regular credit card with more features. Okay, so if you are among those people with a good credit, then you don't really need this for real. Okay, this is for people with poor credit to build their credit, their credit score much more faster. Okay, and talking about the transparency concerns, some users of this may actually feel frustrated. Okay, they might feel frustrated by the limited ways they can actually use the credit line. So because it's only meant for selected items on the platform. So that's another thing you need to know. And Kickoff could also be useful too for specific individuals. Okay, but alternatives like secure credit card might offer broader benefits. Okay, so that's just what I see because of the potential useful, but it's not a necessity. Okay, it is potentially useful, but it's not a necessity. All right. So those are the things that I have to say regarding Kickoff. So you can go ahead, sign up for this. Okay. Possibly I might be linking to these through the video description. Possibly I might be linking, so you might want to pass through the link in the video description to sign up. All right. And if there is no link, then you can just go to Kickoff. But I might possibly link. Okay, it might be my referral link though. So thank you very much for supporting the channel. Actually, if you join, it's at no added cost joining through my link. So it's just a way to support my channel. All right. So that is what I have for you today. And if you have any experience with Kickoff, you can let us know in the comment box. Possibly it helps other people to make the best decision regarding this you know credit card account. Okay, this credit account. All right. So that is it for today. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card videos just like this. And also don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who might be needing something just like this. Till another time, I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.